Hey everyone, this is me Harshita and welcome back to my channel. Here's wishing you a very happy and safe Diwali. Hope you're all having a great time with your friends and family. So this Diwali I was planning on making something special. So I was thinking of making tres leches cake but with the Indian twist. So I will be making Rasmalai tres leches cake. This is an amazing recipe and let's see how it goes. I am making it for the first time, so let's see. Bye. Diwali is incomplete without lighting a diya. So let's first start by lighting a diya. So in a bowl, add 1 cup of curd. I've used homemade curd. To this, add 1/4 spoon of baking soda. Mix it until it gets foamy, something like this, and keep it aside. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of Maida. I've already sifted it. And add 1/4 spoon of baking powder. Now add the curd that we had prepared. Now just whisk it. To this, I'm gonna add 2 cups of milk in batches. Add little by little and whisk it well. So this is how the consistency should be. Do not add more than 2 cups of milk. Now in another bowl, add 1 cup of powdered sugar and about 1.5 cups of cooking oil. Use vegetable oil, do not use a strong flavored oil such as olive oil or mustard oil. Whisk it until it turns fluffy and smooth. Now to the maida batter that we had prepared, I'm gonna add the sugar and the oil mixture that we had prepared earlier. Now gently mix it. To this, I'm gonna add about 5 drops of vanilla essence. Now using a whisk or a spatula, mix it well without lumps. Here I have a 8 into 6 inch square mold and I've lined it with some butter paper. Now I'm gonna brush all the sides neatly with some butter or oil. Do not skip this step as the cake might stick to the butter paper after it's baked. Now pour the batter into the mold. Gently tap it so that there are no air bubbles. I've put up the instructions for both convection and cooker, so I'm gonna bake this in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the Rabdi. For that, I have half liter of warm milk. Do not use raw milk. To this, I'll add in a few strands of Kesar or Saffron. Add 1/4 spoon of cardamom powder. Now gently mix it. Now I'm gonna add 5 spoons or half a cup of powdered sugar. You can use half a cup of condensed milk instead of sugar if you like to. Now give it a good mix. To this, add some finely chopped pistas and keep it aside. Now the cake is baked and it looks beautiful. I'm gonna remove the butter paper and place the cake back in the mold. Using a fork, I'm gonna poke the cake so that the cake absorbs the rabdi well. Now pour some rabdi and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, pour in some more rabdi and refrigerate it again for 30 minutes so that the cake absorbs the rabdi well. Now this is how it looks after an hour. The cake has absorbed the rabdi well and it's soft. Now here I have a piping bag filled with whipped cream. Now I'm just gonna pipe some cream on top of the cake. I'm still a beginner and still learning, so please don't judge the messy piping. Now just cut it into equal halves. I've cut it into 6 pieces. Use a clean knife every time you make a cut so that you get a clean cut. Now serve it in a plate, and I'm just gonna decorate it with some pistas and saffron. This cake is incomplete without the rabdi. Just pour in some rabdi, not in a messy way, and with the rabdi it's gonna taste heavenly. Hey guys, so this is how it turned out. I think it looks presentable. It was just a problem with the whipping cream, like it was my first time to be like piping, so this went a bit flop, but let's see how the cake turned out to be. So this is how it looked like, and let's taste it. It's soft, it's very soft. It's really good. It's very good. Let's have another bite. With the pista and all coming through, it's really good. You should definitely try this recipe, guys. I think it's a really good one. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Bye.